Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, pullback out of Bitcoin. Bulls need a retest here. So we talked about the idea where 68% of the time, these rising wedges break to the downside, and it did. Now, we have this huge rising channel the price action's been in for an extended period of time, broke out of, and now a retest would be bullish for the price action, bullish for Bitcoin. You want very good confirmation of an extended move higher. The bulls need to hold this and bounce. This is a 4-hour chart. And so basically I was calling play-by-play in group today with Powell. So his speech happened at about 2:30. The Fed announced the rate hike at 25 basis points, which is what the market expected. However, Bitcoin pulled back because when Powell started speaking, and I posted a 1-minute chart in group. So I posted this in group, 1-minute chart. Powell started speaking. As soon as he started speaking, so the Fed rate hike was announced earlier than this, 30 minutes before this, right? The rate hike fell right where the market was looking for, 25 basis points, right? With the banking crisis, they didn't pivot. So then Powell started speaking, and he basically said, hey, we're determined to get to 2%. It's going to be painful. It's going to be rocky. He then went on to state like there's going to be more rate hikes. And so will we get a pause? Again, the market wasn't too excited about this. We saw this immediate dump. And again, I was posting all these ideas in group, play by play. So what does this mean for us? And we're going to talk about some trading ideas for Bitcoin, re-entry ideas that need to play out for Bitcoin upside to continue. And then we need to cover what's going on with the altcoins. Right? This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So Powell started speaking, and you got a breakdown of this rising wedge. Like we talked about, we had a plan, right? This was posted in group. I posted on Twitter too, where you follow me on Twitter, cryptobitcoinchris. So here's the plan. Plan is if you get very positive news out of this rate hike, if the Fed were to have paused, you would have seen a run potentially to 30,000 or 31,000. Okay, that didn't happen. They didn't pause. And so over here, I posted elite traders are going to front run retail, and they're going to potentially buy right here, right? The Bitcoin move was very bullish. This has been an extensive move to the upside. We bought the breakout at 25,200. And now you have a pullback to an area where retail traders probably are scared to buy still because it's the start of a pullback. The textbook retest area where technical analysis says the best buys happen is at 25,200. If you get that opportunity and you zoom in, you find a falling wedge on the slower term timeframes, then you'd want to add to your Bitcoin stack based on this idea. You do not want to see a breakdown below that level, right? Because that really kills this whole idea. But Bitcoin's very bullish. There's some news I want to talk about that created some uncertainty in crypto with Coinbase, and we're going to cover that at the end of the video. A lot of people want, you know how many people miss this move on Bitcoin? The whole thing dumps, and then banks falter, and this thing pumps 45% in 10 days, right? One of the biggest moves out of Bitcoin. It would be, like I said, textbook to buy down here at 25,200. Will it happen? Like a lot of traders potentially jump in to try to buy sooner. And you did get a nice bounce right here at just about this level, which we talked about, 26,500. So I got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, admin in the group, 200% gains on his short. Imagine doubling your stack, your trading stack, when Bitcoin is dropping. You're making money while everybody else is losing. This is where the game changes. This person, signing up for your group in 2019 was the best decision I ever made in my life. Drives me to help you and continue to educate you on how this market really works. This person started with 500, used some leverage, turned it into $14,000 over. This person, I think this was my best trade yet. I made $1,200 in 40 minutes. Money sitting at $3,700. He started from 50 bucks. I mean, start doing some crazy multiples. Gem pick bangers. We post the best setups. We keep everybody updated constantly, and we teach you how the market really works. That's all. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices. rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Coin dominance. And so what's going on with these altcoins? Altcoins will do well when this thing starts trending lower. If this thing breaks out to the upside, Bitcoin season, right? Bitcoin season, altcoins falter during Bitcoin season. They don't trade as easy. Dollar getting completely wrecked, forming this falling wedge. The dollar weakening helps stocks and crypto normally, really not today. Really not today, because stocks got completely wrecked on the same idea. So the question is, will we see a correlation with stocks and crypto again? Today we did. We saw an initial pump out of stocks, and then it completely dumped. Coinbase warned by the SEC of potential securities charges. Coinbase said they won't change a thing just because they're being charged by the SEC. They're happy to go to court, go head to head with the SEC. And this is what we need. We need some Coinbase. We need anybody to go up against SEC, XRP, Coinbase, go up against the SEC and win, right? Look at this. SEC has issues with a number of things. Brian Armstrong came out from Coinbase. He's the CEO of Coinbase, and he says, hey, Bell's notice from the SEC, it's focused on staking and asset listings. So imagine the SEC putting an end to staking, but Coinbase already said, we welcome the legal process. So here we are. What will the violations of securities laws be? How will Coinbase fare in a head-to-head battle in court with the SEC? Again, SEC taking Jake Paul to court for illegally touting Justin Sun linked cryptos. This is the drama going on in crypto, and a pullback where buyers want to jump in. You know that so many people miss this move. They want a pullback out of Bitcoin. Now, will they take advantage of it and jump right into the market? If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.